Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset color setting in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to our setting. I'm going to click on this Windows icon or the start menu, and we're going to go to the setting and go to the system setting, and then you have to select the display. Okay, and here you need to scroll down until you find the advanced display. Tap on it and click on this option, display adapter properties for display 1. Click on this option guys and go to the color management. Okay, select color management and you are going to go to the advanced. Okay, and select the change system defaults. Right, go to the advanced again, and you have to check this option, use Windows display calibration. Check it, and then you can click on close, and after that your color setting will be resetted. Alright guys, and that's all the way to reset color setting in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.